Well, welcome back to another Dyno Days video. A Nighthawk Black Fn2 on the dyno, and it's had quite a bit of work done to it because the owner has been collecting parts from Dyno Days for some time. So lots of shiny bits gone onto it. In fact, it's had a lot of stuff done by our Richard this week. So we'll list all those mods at the end, but doesn't she look lovely? Time for an ecutek map. So we've seen it before on the dyno. That'll be our base graph. But because it's got bigger injectors in it now, we're going to flash what we're going to call our base map onto it and then start tuning from that point. So, yeah, let's do it. That part of the video again where I talk about oil, and if you need oil like every Honda Civic Fn2 TypeR owner does, you can go to worldoflubricant.co.uk, use the code DYNO and save yourself bags of money. So go do it, get yourself some 5W40 fully synthetic or your oil of choice. Plenty of good brands there, great team. Get on that website, use the code DYNO, save some money. Thanks. Well, Fn2 Honda Civic in the bag. This one's had quite a few modifications since it's been here this week. Now, the owner, like I said earlier, has been collecting modifications over the past year or so from Dyno Days Performance Parts. We've been shipping them out. He's been putting them in his shed. And then they all came together when our Richard started fitting them. So what did he fit? All come together. Do you like us all coming together?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a team effort.
Right, anyway, shall we go through what we did?
There's a game involving a biscuit. That could be code word, the biscuit game. Yes, let's go through what we did. So, lots of parts.
Yeah, we did a Japspeed manifold.
4-to-1.
4-to-1 decat manifold with a Milltek 3-inch exhaust.
All available on the website.
Yes, available on the website. We did a non-ported RRC, and the plan was for us to port it, but he had it lovely crinkle black painted. and our engineer refused to do it because he was saying, obviously,
It'll wreck it.
I'm going to damage that when I've got that clamped down and doing whatever else.
Clamped down to the machine that's 100 years old.
Yeah, so he basically refused to do it, saying, obviously, it's okay, you're saying, well, if you mark it, but then when he complains, it'll be me that has to deal with it. So I was like, okay, fair enough, can't argue with that. So unfortunately, we had to fit that non-ported. Doesn't seem to really hurt it that badly, to be honest. I don't think it has.
But then again, it's got the drag cartel cams in it.
It has got cams in it, yeah. So literally, that's one side of it is opened it up. And so then we did FD2 oil pump. We did standard or genuine chain and guides. We did drag cartel cams. Obviously, we did valve clearances.
RDX injectors.
RDX injectors.
Available on the website.
We did J35Y throttle body. He had a lovely Mugen crinkle red rocker cover, so we fitted that with a new rocker cover gasket. It had new spark plugs, it had obviously oil and filter, it had a CPL Big Boy induction kit.
Lovely bit of kit.
I think that's about it.
All parts purchased from Dyno Days under our advice, and also we fitted them and then we've mapped it. So this is the kind of car that makes me feel proud of doing what we do here, because yeah,
there's a big transformation, isn't it, with this car? It's had a lot of mods on it, but it's had the right mods on it. And then he's obviously received at the end, obviously when it's come to his power number. I think it's just a little bit of a shame that I understand why he did what he did, because he wanted it in crinkle black, and that's what he wanted. But obviously that just stopped our.
We didn't have that communication wasn't given to us.
Yeah, it wasn't given to us. So I think there might have been a little bit more in it. Maybe another. Maybe let's say 5 brake. Realistically, if we were in the 250 in this, I'd have been really ecstatic. Elated with that.
But he knows that we've been shooting it today, and I've sent him a video of it on the Dyno in our group chat, Dyno Days community group chat that we've got going on Telegram, and he said it's a dream come true. So very proud of that, very proud that we could be part of this, and I'm really looking forward to, it's the Dyno Days Honda meet tomorrow, because it's the last Saturday of the month. So I'm really looking forward to all the gang that's going to come down and see this car, because it is a lovely one.
It is. But the only thing we didn't manage to get done was the idler assist delete. We just couldn't get one in time, so we've had to use his old idler assist and put that in there for now. But we will fit that once it turns up.
Yeah.
But other than that, but that's not going to affect power anyway. So
no. But great. Let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. A staggering improvement. Really happy with that. Finishing on 245 brake horsepower, 207 at the wheels. Not to be sniffed at all. Code word for this video is biscuit. If you watch the middle of the video, you'll know why. But yeah, look, it's gorgeous. If you need these parts, get a hold of us. You can contact us on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want, WhatsApp. Pick up the phone, be old school. We love talking to people. Or come down and say hello. You might be lucky and get a cup of tea. We've got no milk though. Yeah, we've never got any milk, have we? Bring some milk and we'll make you a cup of tea. But yeah, there you go. What a fantastic car. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you love this video, do share it. It really helps us out. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.